Namaskar. In this ongoing pandemic condition, everyone is worried about the safety of their loved ones. Sometimes we feel insecure about the future, and we all have realized uncertainty in all aspects of life. This stress has affected us all, and most of all the students. That's why Government of India has designed a program called Manodarpan to ensure mental well-being of the students. In this context, a mental health week is to be observed in the Vidyalayas and some activities are to be taken up by the Vidyalaya. So, the first activity is in which the teacher has to tell a story including various components of mental well-being or mental health. So, we must know what are the components of mental well-being. First component is emotional well-being, which means the child is happy in general. The child can manage his or her emotions like anger, sadness, and takes interest in life, wants to do something in life, and satisfied with his or her life. So, that is emotional well being. Second is psychological well being, which means the child can manage his day to day responsibilities and the child has a healthy relationship with his parents, his siblings, and friends. So, that is psychological well being. Third is social well being, which means the child doesn't feel awkward in social situations. The child feels himself or herself as a part of society and wants to do something for the society. So, these three are the major components of mental well being. First is emotional well being, second is psychological well being, and third is social well being. So, the teacher has to tell stories incorporating all these components and then ask questions from the students so that students can reflect what they have understood from the story and they can relate it to the day to day life. Also, the teacher can give some examples from day to day life and imaginary situations and then ask questions from the students. For example, if we take a situation, Mohit and Anuj are friends and they study in the same class. During the lockdown, Mohit has been very positive. Mohit is attending all his online classes very enthusiastically. He has also taken up a course to learn guitar in his free time and he is maintaining the routine, diet, exercise, etc. On the other hand, Anuj is feeling very low about all this condition and he is saying that what is the use of study when the world is going to end. So Mohit will call Anuj and talk to him, tell him some tips to stay positive during these times. Now you can ask students if one of your friend is feeling low, what tips can you give him, how will you help him or her. So the teacher can ask questions like this. Also, there are some suggestions given on the website of Manodarpan. One suggestion is to make a folder on Google Drive named My Doubts and Worries. So we can make a folder of our class in which the student can submit or write their doubts and the things about which they worry. And also we can make another folder, My Gains and Learnings, in which the students can share what they have learned during this period of lockdown. So in the end, I want to say that as teachers, we are always committed to stand by our students in all walks of life and to guide them through every situation. So I hope we will be successful in that. Thank you.